Hi, my name is Ivan Smokyfish, and I'm the founder and owner of a Canadian company called Smokyfish Ltd. I've been working as a web developer for the past 10 years for various US based marketing and SEO agencies. I've worked with a lot of clients in the artificial turf business and roofing and solar panel installers, as well as landscaping businesses. And I decided to create my own tool, which can easily be embedded into any WordPress site, but also to any other platform. And I want to show you a quick demo of what this tool can do for you. It can increase the speed at which clients on your site can request a quote and thereby save you a bunch of time. So it's called MAPQX. And if you go to my site, mapqx.app, you can test it out yourself. You can click to try the demo. If you click here, so let's say I'm looking for a quote for artificial turf installation on my backyard. So let's say I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. You can input any address directly here. I'm just going to go in general with Phoenix. And I look up my backyard here. So I'm going to go with this backyard because it's a little bit unstandard. There's a lot going on here, so it's perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and as a client, I'm going to go map the area myself like this. I'm going to create different points right here, map out my entire backyard, get all these little corners and curves here. I can put as many points as I want on this map. It's embedded with the Google Maps API. Let's see here. So the client maps out their turf area. Bam, it shows them the square footage. But please keep in mind, this is an approximate number. There are a few kind of small details here. The more points that you place on the map, the more accurate it will be. Also, they can input the square footage manually if they have it on hand already, or they can easily look up any address and place pointers on the map. Now, just please keep in mind that this tool is totally customizable to your needs. Now, if I choose a category, let's say I can choose artificial turf here, outdoor turf. Now, we can have a product list ready here, or we can hide this as well, and we can just leave as categories. It depends on your preference. So let's go with one of these. I click calculate. Now, some artificial turf providers, they need an infill calculation. Here, the client sees the estimated price for the turf installation based on the formula in the back end that we can set, and a list of recommended products. And we can also list the price per product per square foot if you need it, or just a list of recommended products. Now, what happens next is they can download a quote PDF. So if I go ahead and click that, you can see here it downloads. And if I open that up, the client has a copy of this, so they can save it for their reference. It lists all the details here. This can be branded. So if you want to add your branding, that's totally possible. Now here, right away, after downloading that, they can send a quote request directly to you. All they have to do is input their name and email address, and we can customize these fields to your needs if you need to add a phone number or message or anything else. And then it's going to take a couple of seconds because it's generating a PDF as well, and it's attaching it to the email. So once you receive, you will also receive the site, the admin, or any email that we specify in the backend. They will receive a copy. So you will receive this quote request, and the client will receive a copy with the same PDF attached to their email. Now, please feel free to test this out yourself. It's available on mapqx.app. And just for I just want to add one more thing. So if I input a random address, and let's say, so here I just wanted to show you that there is a pointer that shows up whenever you input a specific residential address, so the person can zoom into that residential address and start mapping, so they don't get lost. Because sometimes there's a lot of buildings and you can kind of get lost as to where exactly the map pointer is. So that shows up. I just wanted to show that the pointer only shows up if you input a specific residential address. If you just put in Phoenix, Arizona, the pointer doesn't show up. But as you can see, if I don't, I can always head back if I don't refresh. So it's saved if I head back to Phoenix, and if I click refresh, it resets and I can try again. And once again, there are several pricing options available. There is a one-time setup fee for each plan that you pick, and there is a monthly term which includes support, and there's a minimum 12-month sign-up, and the price per month, it's billed monthly, not annually, just monthly. So please reach out via my contact form and please get in touch. I will send you a setup package and a contract. And if you have a WordPress site, the setup is fairly straightforward, and I can have that set up to you in a timely manner. And if you are running a different website platform, please also get in touch and we can look into the options and we can customize that to your needs. Please reach out, and I believe that this tool will save you a whole bunch of time. I have a few statistics that I pulled here. This will save you a bunch of hours per week, and your clients will appreciate the fact that they can get an instant quote, and this will also increase the likelihood that that due to the ease of use, they can sign up and you can get more conversions, and this will lead to extra revenue and much faster, at a much faster rate. So I hope you will get in touch, and please let me know. We can work through any custom solutions, or if you have a WordPress site, we can add that on and get you set up as quickly as possible. Thank you so much.